To fix the Android package installer if it keeps stopping or crashing. Start by restarting your device, as this often resolves minor issues. If the problem persists, clear the package installer app data and cache by going to Settings, then Apps, and selecting the package installer app. Choose Storage and then Clear Data and Clear Cache. Next, check for any software updates, as an outdated operating system can cause compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Update to check for any available updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Disable any recently installed apps that may be causing conflicts with the package installer. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select the recently installed app. Choose Uninstall or Disable to remove the app. If the issue still persists, boot your device in safe mode to isolate the problem. To do this, press and hold the power button until your device restarts. When the device restarts, release the power button and immediately hold the volume down button. This will boot your device in safe mode. In safe mode, try installing an app to see if the package installer works. If it does, the issue is likely caused by a third-party app. If it does not work, the issue may be with the package installer itself or the operating system. In this case, consider performing a factory reset or seeking assistance from a professional.